For me, you need to be a system thinker. You need to have a foundation that you can scale with that augments your team's time, that allows you to take the low value repetitive tasks and to automate it so you can have your team doing higher impact, higher value activities. The second thing I would probably point to is something that not a lot of people in the space talk about, but it's really a hard number to get to, is really your operating profit per SKU per channel. So that is the holy grail of what every e-commerce brand wants. So that's taking into account your discounts, your revenue on a product, your shipping costs, to get as close as you possibly can to your operating profit. To do that, you need to have the right platform to do that. The same thing with automation. And the last piece I want to share is really order value optimization. A lot of people focus on conversion rate optimization. Order value optimization is really figuring out how you can maximize the revenue. And I think we've talked about this earlier, Jeremy, is like to maximize the lifetime value of your customer upfront to pay for those ad costs, because CAC is going to be rising incredibly high